Mayor Adams could face even more charges. This was revealed by prosecutors today when the mayor was back in court.
The mayor was arraigned on corruption charges last week, and he pleaded not guilty. Prosecutors also said today that others could be indicted. Alice Gaynor covers courts for us and was in the courtroom today. Alice?
When Mayor Adams entered the courtroom today, he smiled at a few people, put his hand on a woman's shoulder in the gallery, but he mostly sat staring straight forward. And as prosecutors alluded to last week, more charges could be coming. A defiant double thumbs up from Mayor Eric Adams as he exits federal court to the chance of resign coming from a small group of protesters. Inside, his attorney, Alex Spiro, continued to make it known they want to go to trial fast. "We do not want this case dragging," he told the court, and referred to the government's case as weak. When U.S. District Judge Dale Ho asked prosecutors if they thought they might file a superseding indictment, they responded quite likely and said there were likely additional defendants. Prosecutors say the investigation began in summer of 2021, and their evidence includes texts, emails, calendar entries, bank records, telephone records, voice memos, government records, and witnesses who directly participated in the alleged crimes. Some of the communications they noted were in Turkish. They also said they have evidence Adams tried to tamper with witnesses. Mayor Adams was indicted on charges he accepted about $100,000 in luxury travel and obtained illegal campaign contributions from foreign business people and at least one Turkish government official in exchange for his political influence. Adams' attorneys have filed motions to dismiss the bribery charge and are seeking sanctions for prosecutors over what they call leaked information to the press about the investigation. After court, his attorney released this statement saying in part, quote, "The prosecution is desperately now saying they could bring a new case because they are suddenly facing dismissal of their actual flawed case and sanctions for misconduct." Governor Hochul commented on the possibility of additional charges, saying she's making sure city services aren't degraded.
I'm just monitoring the situation to see if there's any disruption in those. Otherwise, the process must play out.
After court, Adams went back to his public schedule.
No matter what happens in the city, in any particular time, to any individuals, the operation continues.
Well, no trial date was set yet, but the defense was requesting a March trial date before a ballot deadline for next June's mayoral election. It was estimated by both sides that a trial would take 4 weeks or less. Christine, Dick?